In this video, I'm going to show you how to find business information using three library databases: Mergent Intellect, IBIS World, and the SWOT analysis database. So on the library website, we're going to click on the library databases A to Z. And then first, we're going to look at Mergent. I'm going to click the search there and select Mergent Intellect. By default, the company information is selected, so I'm going to do the Simplot company. When the results are returned, you can see that there are multiple businesses that JR Simplot's involved in, but we're going to select this top one, JR Simplot, and we get this basic information about the company overview. We also have a competitors list here that you could look at for comparison. You could look at financial details as well as industry details. The executive details mainly gives you a list of the most important executives in the company. Let's go back to the company details. And what we can see here under key information is we can look at this NAICS code, also the SIC code, but we're going to look at this, we're going to copy the NAICS code, because we're going to need that to search for industry information in IBIS World. So let's go back to the library databases, and this time we're going to search IBIS World and search, and let's bring that up. Now we can use that code that we collected from Mergent and paste it into the search here. Clicking this little magnifying glass sometimes doesn't work, so just click in the box and press enter, and we've received 18 reports. Let's start with this one: beef cattle production in the US, and we get a nice overview of the industry. At a glance, we can see the revenue and employees. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see the products and services, and we can see the characteristics, the level, and the trend for each of those. We can see the major players, and we get a basic SWOT analysis for the industry, and an executive summary, which is quite nice. And then you can scroll down over on the left through more information, performance indicators, key takeaways, and so on and so forth. Now, the last database that I want to show you is the SWOT analysis. So we have a basic one in IBIS World. This SWOT database that I'm going to show you, it doesn't have a SWOT for every single company. So sometimes you have to just use the basic one that's found in IBIS World. But let's look and see if there's one for Simplot. Okay, so I'm going to type Simplot, and let's do it alphabetically. Okay, no publications found. So the other thing that you could do is you could use artificial intelligence to generate a basic SWOT analysis for JR Simplot. So I'm going to click here on Copilot. I'm in the Edge browser, and I'm going to leave it in more creative mode. Okay, so I have created a prompt here to try to get a SWOT analysis from the artificial intelligence. I'm a business analyst and need information on the JR Simplot company. Pretend, we're telling the AI to pretend, you're an expert in agribusiness, agrochemical production, and beef cattle farming. Create a SWOT analysis for the JR Simplot company. Let's see what we get. All right, so it's giving us an overview of the JR Simplot company, and then it's going through and it's going to create the SWOT analysis. It's also telling me where it's getting the SWOT analysis from. In summary, you can use the library databases to find company and business sector information. We use three databases: the SWOT analysis, as well as Mergent Intellect and IBIS World. If you don't find a detailed SWOT analysis in the SWOT analysis database, you can use the AI to generate one, and we can see here it's about done here. that it will collect that from a number of sources. As always, when using generative AI, you must go out to the sources and check them for their accuracy and also their credibility.